Good morning, everyone. My name is Daudu Israel. With me here, Suru DPTV. We are members of Group 31 of FBA 311, Business Information and Technology. We are here to present on the topic information system, a definition of information system. So, talking about information system is the combination of interrelated components like hardware, software, and the telecommunication network working together to collect, create, process, store, organize, and disseminate information in order to support decision making, coordination, analysis, and control in an organizational setting. What I actually mean by this is that the description in which information system goes on, it consists of different components, and those components aid in disseminating information around the organization. Now, some of those components, which is the hardware is a physical component that is like a technology which is in the computer system that is used in disseminating information. Some of these hardware are the keyboard. The keyboard is a physical hardware. We have the hard drive. We have the computer operating system. It's also an hardware. So we talk about the software. Software are just applications. They're like applications that help in processing data. So this software are created by tech people that are into tech. So we have the database and the data. This data is also an information creator, which is selected by series of programming language put together. That's when it becomes a data, and this data can be stored in the software or in an hardware. So we have the people that uses information, which are the end users, and we have the end users, and we have the other specialists, which are the information system specialists. Thank you very much.
Information system. Now we have 6 different types of information system. We have transaction processing system, we have management information system, we have decision support system, we have office automation system, we have knowledge management system, we have executive support system. Now I'll be taking transaction process system. A transaction process system is a business activities or event comprising all the purchases and sales of products and services. Then we have a management information system. Then we have number 3, we have decision support system. This system is handled by the senior or higher management of any organization for non-routine decision.
Information system. Number 1, advantage, storage and protection of information. Number 2, more efficiency and data productivity. Number 3, it reduces risk of error. And number 4, better communication. Talking on the storage and protection of information, the system is created to collect and store large amount of data for a very long time. Now, talking about the more efficiency and data productivity, this enables the completion of work in a shorter amount of time. Many tasks are completed by the computers. Now, the disadvantage of information system. Number 1 is expensive. Some technologies, tools as hardware, software are expensive to maintain. They are expensive to repair. Updating and upgrading of the device are expensive. Now, reduction in jobs. The materials are replacing human labor and it's eliminating jobs. It makes most people jobless because the computer is the one in charge of everything.
So I'm talking about people that uses information technology and how they use it. So first of all, I'll be talking about the end users. The end users, they are the ones, the likes of the accountants, the likes of salesperson, the likes of secretaries. They are the ones who produce this information by themselves, and they also make use of this information for their own use as well. Either maybe to manage or to administrate whatever they do in the office, for the accountants to keep records of money coming in and going out, for secretaries to record daily activities at the office. Then we also have the second people who uses information technology is the information system specialist, and these people are who we call the computer operators, the computer analysts, the programmers, the software developers. So these people, they are a group of people, that develop information for the end users, likes of the accountants, likes of the secretary. So without having the information system specialist, we cannot have the end users. So the end users depend on what? They depend on the information specialist, the information system specialist, because without them developing and creating information and systems for these informations, the end users will not have what to use and what to master.
Information technology on our daily activities. Number one, we have the effect on education. Information technology has made the education process more effective and productive. It makes method of education process easier, such as replacement of book with booklets and laptop. E-learning platform is an example of information technology that makes education process easier. This platform can be effective alternative for people who are out of schools or who have difficulties keeping up with their teachers in the class. Then number two, we have the effect on health systems. Information technology is of particular importance of healthcare delivery. Development of computerized patient record, which enhance the effectiveness and distribution of health care. Examples of this effect are the artificial legs, artificial hands, and so on and so forth like that. So we're talking about the impact. We're talking about the one major impact of information technology on our daily activities. Number one, we have the political impact. Politicians use technology in many ways to influence the growth and different development political uses technology in many ways to influence the growth of different individuals in their respective sphere. The likes of Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube have powerful communication media platform. They can easily raise their, they can easily raise the rate of politicians. They are able to access funds, gain politician support, and spend less campaigning in pursuing their candidates. Thank you very much.